So if you want some wow factor, you probably should stick around to see the result of what happens with this old door jamb and decorative header to go in that opening. We're in the Honeymoon suite. So this door jamb is a completely original and untouched piece that was salvaged from the main Chateau building. And now we found the perfect spot to reinstall it to give some pizzazz to this room. So you can see all the colours and details are original, and all I had to do was make a couple of modifications to the width of it so that it could fit perfectly into the new opening. Just like that. So here it is after the installation, and I've hung one of the doors because I could only get 3 left-hand hinges and needed to find 3 right-hand hinges to hang the other one, but they would be on order, and as you'll see, will go in very soon. So in terms of the installation, I needed to bulk out the rear or the back side of the original door frame with some pine for 2 reasons. First of all, a chunkier jamb would not only look better in the end, but it would also add more strength and stability to the overall door frame in that we were hanging the doors off. And secondly, it would provide me a better opportunity to get a good fixing into the plaster wall that it's butting up against. And you also have to remember here that this door jamb wasn't installed like I'm installing it here in its original location in the main Chateau. It was installed flat against a wall, so the jambs on the sides and the header above was just flat against a wall, and then the opening was going to be where the opening was. And from there I just added some trim moulding to the header on the ensuite side of the door just to give it a little bit of detail. So yeah, I finally got the hinges in stock for the right hand door leaf. So they were partially installed there, and as you're about to see, both doors are now hung. And then it was just a case of me going around, finishing screwing off all the hinges, and obviously I need a door handle on that. And then yeah, the doors would obviously need a rub back as well, and then some kind of treatment over that, whether it's a paint or whether or not they just got left in more of a distressed state. It was still to be determined. So this is kind of almost the finished product from my point of view for now. So we're just looking at the door stop currently, and this little detail that you see that I've tacked on to the door stop was ripped off cut from some tongue and groove skirting board that I installed in this room. So thought just to add a little bit of extra detail to the door stop, it'd be nice just to tack that on there. So it kind of worked pretty well in the end. And there you have it, guys, a little bit of Chateau history for you right there, and it's always nice to salvage some of these old pieces. Have any questions? Fire away in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one.